feel me? But you know, work day, feel me? Back on vacation, back to work, you feel me? So right now, about to go to the dealership. One of my credit clients, you feel me? Yeah, about to get bro a car. You know what I'm saying? I already got him approved. 28,000. Feel me? 7% interest. If y'all know, you know that's lower than interest rate right now. Feel me? But yo, tap in with y'all niggas in a minute, alright? Y'all niggas, man.
Hey bro, what's up? So we're out here trying to get a new whip today. My boy right here gave me a rate. Feel me? Tap in, bro. Tap in.
So this is my client right here. Helping me get a whip, you feel me? So trying to test drive this whip real quick and see if we like it. We're already seeing the problems, how I think we're gonna get it. So we're about to see, you know, what we're doing, if we want to get some or not. You feel me? Hold on. So yeah, we really can't look at this one, but we're just looking in the engine. We see oil leaking through the caps. You know what I'm saying? That shit fire though. It's like, you feel me? Not trying to buy no car with no problem. That shit tough. But yeah, we might go look at another one. You feel me? It's not as fire as this one, but I'm not trying to buy no car with no problem. It's less miles too and shit. So, what you thinking, bro? What you thinking?
Yeah, we're going somewhere else, bro. You feel me? They're taking too long, you feel me? They don't want our business, we're going somewhere else, you know what I mean?
Time is money for us, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
So, why they just skedaddle? I'll catch y'all and go to the next dealership, alright? So, yeah, we're currently looking at this car. 2019 Audi S4. Shit calm, I don't lie. Next one look more fire, but this one's fire too. Yeah. That's what the interior looks like. You know what I'm saying? Calm. Sunroof. So it's calm. It's nice. I'm saying about to see. Yeah. See if we can negotiate and get this one. Alright. So yo, tapping out with y'all niggas. So yo, tapping with y'all niggas in a few, alright? Yes, sir. So we didn't get the car today.
Yes, sir.
But it's a step in the right direction, you feel me? We'll try to get a certain number. We don't know yet. I'm gonna have to talk to the owner on Monday, see if he's gonna give me the price. If not, then we go somewhere else. You feel me? One thing when you're negotiating, never say a price first. You feel me? Try to see what the base price is. If they're willing to give you or what's their lowest, then you start negotiating from there. You feel me? And try to get them down. You know what I'm saying? But we'll see how it goes on Monday if we'll get that car or not. But how you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling good, bro, because honestly, the first car was a flop. You feel me? The second car is a W.
Yeah. Now I'm about to get some food and chop, you feel me? And about to get to work. A lot of shit going on today, man. A lot of clients to talk to. Been on vacation for a minute, but bro booked his appointment 2 weeks ago, so I had to get bro right, you feel me? Job's not done yet, but I'm still working, you feel me? Still working and shit. So just really stay tuned. We got some shit cooking up too, so yo, trust me, I got some shit in the locker room. Niggas just wait to see what's coming, alright? Love y'all niggas, bro. Appreciate all the subs, all the likes. Y'all niggas who's watching. Fuck with y'all, alright? Appreciate y'all niggas. Yeah. Y'all niggas know it, man. Fucking 3 weeks later. Feel me? After all the car buying process, literally just getting a car. So what, 3 weeks later, bro?
3 weeks later, bro, but it's okay. We're here now.
It's okay, you know.
We
gotta
got it.
Make sure we get the right car. Shit, you know what I'm saying? The last car we showed y'all, we wasn't getting the price we wanted, you know what I'm saying?
True.
And if I'm not getting my way, it's no way, you know what I'm saying? So it's my way or the highway. So, about to pick up his car.
Yes, sir. Looking smooth over there. I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready. Excited.
I'll show you the car and everything, and then do a quick interview with bro. I'm saying that's probably gonna be the end of the video after that. But yeah, so I'm about to go in the dealership and talk with him and shit, and then grab the car and go. How you feeling, bro?
Feeling good, bro. I'm mad excited, you feel me? I got that energy, you feel me? Can't say too much.
Can't say too much yet, but we got y'all in a minute, okay?
Yes, sir.
Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana, ela vai me parar. 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 Ela vai me parar.
Enquanto parede, enquanto parede, enquanto parede, enquanto parede.
Yeah, so we're here. Y'all see the car behind us, you know what I'm saying? And we have Zid here, my client, you know what I'm saying? I got bro right, you know what I'm saying? So we got this very beautiful S5 A5 Audi, you know what I'm saying? So Zid, how was everything, bro?
Everything been going good.
From 1 to 5, what do you give it?
1 to 5, I would say it's a 6.10, you know what I mean? 6.10.
Alright, y'all see he's going over
Being
there, you
honest.
know what I'm saying? So when you came to me, how much was your credit score?
My credit score was like 515 or like 510. Somewhere low.
Somewhere there, right?
Yeah.
And then before we got the car, what was their credit score?
Before we got the car, it was
Yeah.
763.
763.
Yeah, I
Okay,
mean,
yeah, I heard that. You know what I'm
It's
saying?
crazy. From 515, now from 510 to 763, that's a win.
And how long did that take? You
That's
remember?
it. Took at least like, did it take like 3 months for everything to clear first? Sure.
I think it was like a 2 months, so it really was 2-month process to get everything off. And we wrote the first, we took everything off Transunion in the first month. By the second month, everything was already cleared up. You know what I'm saying? We got him this car. I'll explain more to you. Okay. So what was the rate we got on this car for you?
For this rate, we got 7.8.